Herne is the city the aircraft is named after, and everything looks great here. So let's check the weather inside.
Information, Foxtrot 2230, ILS approach, runway 22, transition level 120, flock of birds observed in the aerodrome area, wind 200 degrees, 3 meters per second, cap okay, temperature -5, dew point -8.
So this was the weather forecast, so the actual weather for Astana. Cold but acceptable, and we are doing the pushback here and pulled forward, starting up our 4 engines. Just had to wait for the Pegasus to be pulled in. Then it's our turn, 2 left turns here. And then we are on our way to runway 22 for our departure. And you know that, original sound, original speed on this departure. So sit back, relax, enjoy that.
On runway 22.
You have control. Take off.
Rotation speed 302 kilometers an hour.